Right.
Okay. Am I recording?
Just make sure. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we are recording. Hello and welcome to Pollokshields. In the wonderful winter wonderland that is life for today. Miss Moira B, say hello, Moira.
Hi.
are taking up for our morning dancing. Which of course makes loads of sense, doesn't it? I'm dressed in about 6 layers. I am learning by design though. I put on dance tights.
Go, Carol. Shake that booty. Yay.
I have learned my lesson and I'm wearing dance tights because yesterday my trousers kept falling down. That was a bit of a problem. I just integrated into the dance though. It just all becomes part of the experience. So we're taking off down for the Brutal now. Who knows what will happen? Anything could happen. Such is the state of life. So we'll see you later. But have a good one.
Yoo-hoo! Thank you! You're still going.